Hello viewers, I am Deepthi. Welcome to yet another video on History ICSE Class 10. Having covered first two chapters from Unit 1 in the form of MCQ, now I am going to cover next three chapters which are first phase of Indian National Movement, second phase of Indian National Movement and Muslim League. But other than MCQ, I am going to discuss one most important question from this chapter from examination point of view. Our first question is, what did Dadabhai Naoroji aim to provide the members of the British Parliament through East India Association? Options are A. Praise government policies, second, information about India's grievances, third, terminate British rule, and D. became the Viceroy. And the correct answer is B, which is information about India's grievances. Question number 2. Which paper was started by W.C. Banerjee and edited by Surendranath Banerjee for several years? Option A is The Bengali, B. Amrit Bazar Patrika, C. Gulamgiri, and D. Sambat Comedy. And the correct answer is A. The Bengali. Question number 3. What was Surendranath Banerjee's best known book? A. Poverty and Un-British Rule in India, B. Gulamgiri, C. A Nation in Making, and D. The Call to Young India. And the correct answer is C. A Nation in Making. Question number 4. The Congress at its very first session asked for the expansion of the A. Legislative councils, B. Judiciary, C. Press regulations, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Legislative councils. Question number 5. The Congress urged the government for complete separation of dash and dash functions. A. Press and policy, B. Executive and judiciary, C. Social and economic, and D. Press and literacy. And the correct option is B, which is executive and judiciary. Question number 6. Through Dadabhai's brain theory, he tried to explain how India's dash were being taken away to England through various ways. A. Talents, B. Wealth, C. Knowledge, and D. Traditional cottage industry. And the correct option is B, which is wealth. Question number 7. Surendranath Banerjee supported the Dash movement. A. Opposition, B. Anti-capitalism, and C. Apartheid, D. Swadeshi. And the correct option is D, which is Swadeshi. Question number 8. Whose famous saying was, opposition where necessary and cooperation where possible? Options are Gopal Krishna Gokhale, M.G. Ranade, Surendranath Banerjee, and none of these. And the correct option is C, Surendranath Banerjee. Question number 9. Which resolution was passed by the British House of Commons by the efforts of Dadabhai and Bradlaugh but could not become an act? A. Ilbit Bill, B. Holding of ICS examinations simultaneously in England and India, C. Fire Decree, and D. Both A and B. And the correct option is B. Holding of ICS examinations simultaneously in England and India. Question number 10. Complete the given analogy. Servants of India Society to G.K. Gokhale, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Then Deccan Education Society to A option is Dadabhai Naoroji, B. Firoz Shah Mehta, C. M.G. Ranade, and D. Madan Mohan Malviya. And the correct option is C, which is M.G. Ranade. Question number 11. Complete the given analogy. Poverty and un-British rule in India, Dadabhai Naoroji, and Nation in the Making. Option A, Surendranath Banerjee, B. M.G. Ranade, C. Firoz Shah Mehta, D. G.K. Gokhale, and the correct option is A, Surendranath Banerjee. Question number 12. Who took an active part in the foundation of the Indian National Congress and was elected its president 3 times? A option Gopal Krishna Gokhale, B. Dadabhai Naoroji, C. Firoz Shah Mehta, and D. Madan Mohan Malviya. And the correct option is B, which is Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 13. What was the duration of Indian national movement, also known as early nationalist phase? A option from 1880 to 1885, B is 1885 to 1900, C is 1885 to 1907, and D is 1907 to 1916. And the correct option is C, which is 1885 to 1907. This phase is known as early nationalist phase. Question number 14. They followed the policy of three P's: prayer, petition, and protest. Who are they? A. Assertive nationalist, B. Early nationalist, C. Moderates, and D. Both B and C. Correct option is D, which is both B and C, because early nationalists are same as moderates. Question number 15. He was the first Indian to become the member of the British House of Commons in England. A option Surendranath Banerjee, B M.K. Gandhi, C Dadabhai Naoroji, and D M.G. Ranade, and the correct option is Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 16. Gandhiji accepted Dash as his political mentor, or you can say political guru. Option A Gopal Krishna Gokhale, B Surendranath Banerjee, C Lala Lajpat Rai, and D Subhash Chandra Bose. And the correct option is A Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 17. Who edited newspaper Bengali and wrote the book Nation in the Making? A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, B. Bipin Chandra Pal, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and D. Surendranath Banerjee. And the correct option is D. Surendranath Banerjee. Question number 18. Who is known as the father of assertive nationalism? A option Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B Bipin Chandra Pal, C M.K. Gandhi, and D Lala Lajpat Rai, and the correct option is A Bal Gangadhar Tilak, father of assertive nationalism. Question number 19. Who is known as the father of revolutionary thought in India? A option Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B Bipin Chandra Pal, C Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and D Subhash Chandra Bose, and the correct option is B Bipin Chandra Pal. Question number 20. Which of these personalities is known as Punjab Kesari or Sher-e Punjab? A. Bhagat Singh, B. Lala Lajpat Rai, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and D. None of these, and the correct option is B. Lala Lajpat Rai. Question number 21. Who set up the Servants of India Society in 1905? A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, B. Bipin Chandra Pal, C. M.K. Gandhi, and D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and the correct option is A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 22. Who started the Home Rule League in 1916? A option Lala Lajpat Rai, B Subhash Chandra Bose, C Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and D Surendranath Banerjee. And the correct option is C Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who started the Home Rule League along with Annie Besant. Question number 23. Who laid the foundation stone of DAV College in Lahore? A option M.K. Gandhi, B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and D. Lala Lajpat Rai. And the correct option is D. Lala Lajpat Rai. Question number 24. The duration of the phase of Indian national movement known as the assertive phase was 1885 to 1900, 1900 to 1907, 1907 to 1916, and D 1916 to 1947. And the correct option is 1907 to 1916. This phase is known as assertive phase. 1907 is the Surat split, and then 1916, after long effort, their reunion. Question number 25. Who put into effect the partition of Bengal? A. Lilton, B. Wellington, C. Hastings, and D. Curzon. And the correct option is D, which is Curzon. Question number 26. What was the perspective of Indian nationalists about partition of Bengal by the British? A. Too large to be administered by a single provincial government. B. Policy of divide and rule. C. Oriya-speaking people outside the territorial limits of Orissa had to be brought under the administration of Bengal. And D. To show the strength of East Bengal. And we know the main perspective is B. Policy of divide and rule. Question number 27. When did Lord Curzon announce the partition of Bengal into two parts? A. July 20th, 1919. Second, July 20th, 1901. Then 1903 and 1905. And the correct option is D. July 20th, 1905. 28 question. Who gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B. Lala Lajpat Rai, C. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and D. Bipin Chandra Pal. And the correct option is A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Question number 29. Which two terms became the battle cry of the assertive nationalist? A. Petitions and appeals, B. Swaraj and resolutions, C. Boycott and petitions, and D. Swaraj and boycott. And the correct option is Swaraj and boycott, option number D. Now question number 30. Who wrote the weeklies Maharatha and Kesari? Options are Mahatma Gandhi, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Lala Lajpat Rai. And the correct option is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Now coming to the most important question from this chapter from my point of view is, what are the differences in the methods adopted by early nationalists, or you can say moderates, and assertive nationalists, or you can say extremists? And we need to explain the differences. I am just telling you the headings from these two. Firstly, early nationalists. Method adopted by early nationalists. They held meetings and passed resolution. Second, sent memorandums. Third, use of 3Ps, petitions, prayers and protests. Fourth, deputations of Indian leaders were sent to Britain. And fifth, British Committee of the Indian National Congress was set up in London. These 5 methods you should learn in detail for a long answer. Then methods adopted by assertive nationalists, or you can say extremists. Swadeshi, first point you need to explain. Second, boycott. Third, emphasis on national education. Fourth, passive resistance to violence. And then revivalism and mass involvement are sub-points in this heading. You need to explain all these points and you should prepare one long answer from these two chapters, because this is the most important question from my point of view from these two chapters. Methods adopted by assertive nationalists and early nationalists. What is the difference between these methods? Now coming to question number 31. During which incident Lala Lajpat Rai succumbed to injuries and sacrificed his life? A. Jallianwala Bagh tragedy, B. Khilafat movement, C. Simon Commission, and D. Cabinet mission. And the correct answer is C. Simon Commission. Question number 32. What was the objective of Muslim League? A option, to present their needs and aspirations before the government in mild and moderate language. B, to follow Swadeshi and boycott. C, to repress the other communities. And D, to bring about class equality. And the correct option is A, to present their needs and aspirations before the government in mild and moderate language is the main objective of Muslim League, and these are one of the few topics which are still remaining in the reduced syllabus from this chapter Muslim League. You should learn all the objectives. Question number 33. Lord Curzon believed that Indian people were illiterate and could have no dash aspirations. A. Economic, B. Political, C. Social, and D. Health. And the correct option is political aspirations. Question number 34. The ultimate objective of the assertive nationalist was A. Boycott, B. Nationalism, C. Stern measures, and D. Swaraj. And the correct option is D, which is Swaraj. Question number 35. Tilak is known for organizing dash and dash clubs in Maharashtra. A. Akhada and political, B. Literacy campaigns and religious, C. Akhada and Lathi, D. Swadeshi and boycott. And the correct option is Akhada and Lathi clubs. Organize these things in Maharashtra. Question number 36. Dash headed the Home Rule League in Madras. A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Savitribai Phule, C. Sister Nivedita, and D. Annie Besant. And the correct option is D. Annie Besant, who headed the Home Rule League in Madras, rather in South. In question number 37, leaders like Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai transformed the anti-partition movement into a dash movement. A. Swaraj, B. Political, C. Extremist, and D. Social. And the correct option is A. Swaraj movement. Question number 38. Bipin Chandra Pal started dash paper in 1901. A. Maharatha, B. New India, C. Kesri, and D. Sambat Comedy. And the correct option is B. New India. Question number 39. Identify the personality in the picture. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, and Gopal Krishna Gokhale. And we know this famous personality is Lala Lajpat Rai. In question number 40, the objectives of the Muslim League was to prevent the feelings of hostility between Daesh and other communities without adversely affecting the objectives of the League. A option Hindus, B Persians, C Christians, and D Muslims, and the correct option is D Muslims. In question number 41, identify the personality in the picture. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, and Aurobindo Ghosh. And the correct option is A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Rather, you should know all the famous personalities in both these chapters, from early nationalists Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, and Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and their contributions. They form the important part of this chapter. And then from assertive nationalists, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, and Lala Lajpat Rai. You know Bal, Pal, and Lal. These are the famous personalities also, and you should know about them also. Now, next question 42. Complete the given analogy. Partition of Bengal, Lord Curzon, then separate electorate. Lord Canning, Lord Hastings, Lord Minto, Lord Lytton. And the correct option is C. Lord Minto. Question number 43. Whose publications included The Call to Young India and England's Debt to India? A option Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, C. M.K. Gandhi, and D. Lala Lajpat Rai. And the correct option is D. Lala Lajpat Rai. Coming to question number 44. As a journalist who worked for the Tribune and New India to propagate his brand of nationalism? A. Bipin Chandra Pal, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Subhash Chandra Bose, Dadabhai Naoroji. And the correct option is A. Bipin Chandra Pal. Question number 45. Again complete the given analogy. Moderates, early nationalists, Firoz Shah Mehta, then radicals, assertive nationalists. From these given names, A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, B. M. A. Jinnah, C. Motilal Nehru, and D. Aurobindo Ghosh. And the correct option is D. Aurobindo Ghosh. From radicals, or you can say assertive nationalists. Question number 46. Who was the forerunner of Mahatma Gandhi in many ways? A. Motilal Nehru, B. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and D. Surendranath Banerjee. And the correct option is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 47. Complete the given analogy. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gita Rahasya, Lala Lajpat Rai. A option Vande Mataram, B. National Education, C. Punjabi Culture, and D. New India. And the correct option is B. National Education. Question number 48. Who persuaded Gandhiji to return to India and join the freedom struggle? A option Firoz Shah Mehta, B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, C. Surendranath Banerjee, and D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And the correct option is B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 49. Who started using the traditional religious Ganpati festival and Shivaji festival to encourage youth? A option Gopal Krishna Gokhale, B. Firoz Shah Mehta, C. M.K. Gandhi, and D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And the correct option is D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 50. The Dash Pact was signed to adopt the joint scheme by Congress and Muslim League in 1916. A option is Calcutta, B. Lucknow, C. Banaras, and D. Aligarh. And this famous pact is known as Lucknow Pact, which was signed by Congress and Muslim League in Lucknow. So, known as Lucknow Pact. Question number 51. The Lucknow session and signing of Lucknow Pact brought about unity between A option Hindus and Muslims, B assertive nationalists and early nationalists, C Congress and Muslim League, and D all of the above. And we know that answer correct is all of the above, because this historic session of Lucknow brought about unity among all these. Question number 52. The famous trio of leaders Bal, Pal, Lal Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal and Lala Lajpat Rai belongs to A option early nationalist, B moderates, C assertive nationalist and D none of these, and the correct option is C assertive nationalist. Question number 53. What is the title given to him by the people to show their love for Bal Gangadhar Tilak? A option Sher-e Punjab, B Lokmanya, C Kesri and D none of the above, and the correct option is B Lokmanya Tilak. In question number 54, Dadabhai Naroji's presidentship of the Congress in 1906 was so unique because the resolution of Dash was passed. A. Swadeshi, B. Swaraj, C. Boycott and D. All of the above, and the correct option is D. All of the above. All these three resolutions were taken in the session of 1906. Question number 55. The Arctic Home in the Vedas and Gita Rahasya. These famous books are written by A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B. Bipin Chandra Pal, C. Gandhiji and D. Lala Lajpat Rai, and the correct option is A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 56. This association was founded by Bal Gangadhar Tilak along with Annie Besant at Pune in 1916. A option Young India, B the Home Rule League, C the Nationalist Party and D Youth Clubs. And the correct option is B the Home Rule League. Question number 57. This year became famous because Lucknow Pact was signed. Aggressive nationalists joined the Congress and Home Rule League was formed. A option is 1914, B 1915, C 1916 and D 1919. And correct answer is C 1916. That is why this 1916 Lucknow Pact session is very famous. Question number 58. Gokhale was a man of dash views and had immense faith in British dash. A option moderate liberalism, B radical capitalism, C extremist socialism and D moderate marketing. Correct option is A moderate and liberalism. Question number 59. Which acts did Surendranath Banerjee protest against fearlessly? A. Rowlatt Act, B. Vernacular Press Act, C. Arms Act and D. Both B and C, and the correct option is both B and C. Vernacular Press Act and Arms Act. Both these are protested against by Surendranath Banerjee. In question number 60, when did Bipin Chandra Pal part ways with the early nationalists? A. After the Nagpur session of the Congress, B. After the Madras session of the Congress, C. After the Banaras session of the Congress, and D. After the Surat session of the Congress. And the correct option is D. After the Surat session of Congress in 1907, which is famous as 1907 split, Surat split. And that is why the Congress president of Lucknow session of 1916 remarked, if the United Congress was buried at Surat, it is reborn at Lucknow in 1916. So from 1907, it was reunited in 1916 in Lucknow session. One additional question. British government felt it necessary to pacify Indians if they wished Indians to be loyal to them. So they passed A. Pune Pact, B. Lucknow Pact, C. Declaration of August 20, 1917 and D. None of these, and the correct option is C. Declaration of August 20, 1917. With this, we come to the end of MCQs from these three chapters. It means our unit 1 has finished now. Hope you like the questions given and selected by me. Seeing your overwhelming response, I will soon upload another video from unit 2 also. Thank you for watching till the end. Keep watching, sharing and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.